Alright, today we're going to do a very simple action of testing the voltage on this John Deere L111 lawnmower. First YouTube video, let's see how this goes. First we have a voltmeter. We're going to turn the voltmeter to 50 volts maximum, which means we'll be watching the arc right here. And with a charged battery, our needle should be just past the 10, right in this area. I'm going to take the positive terminal and touch the positive lead to the positive terminal. We're going to take our negative lead, touch it to the negative terminal right here in black, and we're showing a dead battery. So let's see if our leads are touching properly. All right. Now it appears this battery is dead. One last thing we can check. A little bit of a cheat is sending the test lead here. That's your starter solenoid. And here we're going to touch the lead, the negative lead to the negative part of the battery. Now the reason we're doing this is because, as you can see, these leads are pointed. They don't have alligator clips on them, and typically you'd have two hands to do this. So here we're showing the battery does have a charge, and again we have it set to max 50 DC volts. See there in the middle of the arc, the middle number 250, 50, and 10 volts. Being that we're set to 50, we're going to read the arc that ends in 50, which 10 plus a couple more is 12 volts. So hopefully this video showed you how to check the voltage on your battery before you commence further troubleshooting on your lawnmower. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.